Hello, welcome to Brand Records. This is a turntable review of the record turntable. Free speeds 33 and a half, 45 and 75, wireless capabilities and built-in stereo speakers. This is a review of a product that I just got today for Christmas, if you're wondering. This video is recorded on Christmas. I'll show you the turntable. Here's the turntable, and I'll give you a sound feed of Neil Young, Time Fades Away. Rare album. Here's a sound feed of this record. Doing a sound feed test here. Hello, welcome to Brand Records. I recommend this turntable over here. Has a good starter turntable, and and thanks for watching Brand's Records, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.